Hey, Man in the Mayhem here, and today we're looking at the LilyGO T-Lora Pager. This has been sent to me by LilyGO. As always, it comes in one of these lovely plastic boxes. Slightly different design to the other ones, but still just as nice. Inside the box, we've got plenty of foam packaging, and there is the money shot. There is our brand new LilyGO Pager. So let's have a quick peek at this. So this is the pager. Let's just give a quick peel on the screen. Lovely jubbly. So you can see it's got a full QWERTY keyboard, we've got a shift key, we have got a caps key, we've got a spacebar key, a backspace key, back. We've got a jog wheel that goes up and down but also clicks in and out. We've got two antennae that fold out from the back of the device itself. A 1/4 inch tripod mount style screw. Nice little tassel to connect it to whatever we'd like to. It looks like it's made of faux leather. We've got a USB-C slot, an SD card slot and 3 buttons here. And the 3 buttons you have here are reset, boot and power. So the whole thing's built off an ESP32 S3. It's got a LoRa chip in there, it's got NFC, it can do audio, it's got a rotary encoder, it has got a 2.33 inch display at a 480 by 222 resolution. And it also has built-in GPS. That's a lot to put into one small little device. There's also a built-in GPIO here, so if you want to do some expansion stuff, that GPIO is already there. And as you can see here, we also have our audio jack. So as with a lot of LilyGO devices, the way you have to boot these on for the first time is by pushing in a USB-C cable into the USB-C port. So fingers crossed, we should get some life. There we go. As you can see, it's already got some firmware built into it. So the firmware that comes with it at the moment has got an nRF24 test, it's got a screen test, it's got a full settings menu, a wireless menu, a Bluetooth keyboard, an audio player, a radio, LoRa chat, GPS, a monitor, and then our power. We also have a microphone and IMU. Also inside the box was this set of pin headers, so you can actually plug these into the GPIO slot so you can start making your own development boards to work alongside this. And also there is an NFC tag which is currently programmed to just say hello world or hello LilyGO I think it was, that you can test the NFC settings with. So my plans for this is to probably get Bruce installed onto it and see how well it works. I'd also like to try Meshtastic on here. There's a couple of things that I really want to do in Bruce that require a full-size keyboard, such as being able to use SSH and functions like that rather than having to try and scroll through. I also like the fact that it's so small and pocketable. So if you want to see where I go with this device and what I do with it, make sure you like and subscribe. And also if you want to get one of these devices, I do now have an affiliate link with LilyGO where I will get a little bit of money back if you choose to buy one of these and play along and experiment with me. I hope you enjoyed this. I will catch you next time. Happy hacking.